Welcome back to my channel. This tutorial you will learn how to convert any photo to PDF using to your Samsung Galaxy phone. So let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone, open the default gallery application. Here you can see all of the photos and videos listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact photo if you want to convert to PDF. For example, I am convert to this bike image to PDF. Simply tap on it to open the full view. After that, at the top right corner you can see three dot more button. Tap on it. You can see various pop-up options. Select print. After that, at the top of the menu page, make sure to select Save as PDF option. After you select it, you can also adjust the paper size, copies if you like. Everything is okay. Find the download PDF icon yellow, simply tap on it. Then choose the folder where the PDF if you save. For example, I am saved this PDF my document folder. Simply select it, then hit the save button at the bottom right corner and you are done. After that, to check it, return to your home screen, open My Files or File Manager app, then go to the folder if you previously saved it. For example, this document. Now at the very top you can find the current recently saved as PDF there. Simply tap on it to view the result. That's it guys, you are done. If you found this guide will help you, please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel to support it.